every mystery. I had to let myself stay.